Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye video and we are going to be doing a look with my very first Natasha Denona palette. This palette is tiny because that's all I can afford. This palette retails for $19. I got it at Sephora in the line. Isn't it gorgeous? We're going to start off with our Essence eye base. And we're just going to put this on, smear it around, just to give it a nice canvas. Not that I think Natasha Denona should need it. I think that she should go on like a dream with no eye base, considering the price. Not the price of mine, the price of her regular palettes. I think this is the perfect way to try it out. Okay, now we are going to go in with this color right here. It's a matte color, so that would make this one Attic. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and put it all over my lid. Cover the whole thing. Pull it up as a great transition color. Now we're going to go into this Earth, I think, is the chocolate brown colored one. And I'm going to take this brush and just pat this in the outer corner. And then pull it up and let it go into the crease. I don't know, that's looking a little patchy. Let's take this fluffy brush and see if we can blend it out a little. Wow. That didn't go too well. Let me see if I can fix this corner right here. I hate it when I have to do that because it takes off your everything. But yeah, it definitely is looking patchy in that dark brown. Not sure what's going on there. Maybe that's why they made this one into a little palette. For the little people who couldn't afford the big palette. I'm glad I tried it this way though. Let's see if we can add some of this blue right here. Maybe I'll just put that all over my lid. Maybe I'll use a different brush. Let's see, let's use this one. Maybe I'll go in and wet my brush. Let's see. See if this does it. I'm not impressed. What do you guys think? Are you impressed? I'm not. Maybe it'll look better on this eye. And maybe not. I feel like it's not wet anymore. You guys see what I'm doing? Now one of the hairs fell out of my brush. I'm not doing a whole lot of anything. All that purple I covered up is coming back. Seems like to me. Maybe I'll try it with my finger. I know I can't get my finger in there though. Well, this is just a letdown. A big time letdown. Let's just go in with some of this, whatever color this is. It's light. It's like a bronzy. Put this in the center here. See if that gives us something great. Well, you know what? If this is what her palettes are like, I'm just glad that I bought this little guy to brighten up my day and find out. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just kind of blend this out a little bit. Yep, I'm not impressed at all. I don't find this to be a appealing look. Alright, well we're just going to finish it. That's all I'm going to do with that palette. But I would have to say that no, I am not impressed with the products. I don't think that they're as pretty as they were when I swatched them. So let's go ahead and do some liner and some lashes. and see if that helps our situation. Let's go ahead and push line. Maybe that'll be the ticket. This is getting really short, but I have 2 backups for it. So I'm going to push line. I'm just going to put my little finger on here and turn my eyelid inside out and draw between the lashes. I took the lashes off because those double wispies they weren't staying. And I didn't think they looked as good as the wispies. I thought next I'm going to try these little single lashes, the little trios, and then I have the singles here to fill them in with. If you guys want to see me do that, leave it in the comments below, because otherwise I'm just going to do it. But I'm going to use the same technique I used, only with those, instead of cutting up the wispies, and see how that works. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and smudge that out. And then we're going to draw a wing because this eye just needs more. Okay, now I'm going to take my Wander Beauty eyeliner and make a wing. So now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to put on my mascara and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I know I whined through that whole video, but I have to say that I do think it turned out nice in the end. When I look in the mirror, I can see all the shimmer. It's beautiful. I still think it's too much work for the price you pay. Not for this $19 one, but for the $129 one or whatever she's got. Maybe it's a learning curve. Maybe I just need to learn how to use it. So I will keep it and try again, but I do think it turned out beautiful, but it was hard to work with. It was like so patchy on that first dark color, and then I just really couldn't get this one, because look how far down I dug into that just to get enough to show up. And then I ended up putting this other one on top of it, which actually turned out to be a lot bronzer than I thought it was, but that's okay. It looks beautiful now. That's what matters. When I went off camera, I just curled my lashes and used this. This is the So Fierce from Revlon. Then I curled them again, and I used this. This is the Lash Princess from Essence, and this is the one that is with the green writing, the false lash effect. And then I curled them again and used this again. This just kind of separates them better than this one. This one's kind of clumpy, and I don't like them clumpy, so I like to go back in with this one, which just pulls them apart. And that is all I did. So I hope you enjoyed this whiny video. I'm sorry about that, but I still don't think it's as good as it should be. Or at least I don't know how to use it as good as I should yet. I will let you know when I learn. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and share this on all your social medias. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!